Previously on BiRD News.
Riparia needs a mayor. Any questions?
No questions, just results.
This just in. Riparia has a mayor. Following an unexpected election that was announced, held, and certified earlier today.
Dry Fang Canyon. As agreed, consider it your territory.
It'll be like the good old times. Gus, give me a day or two.
Don doesn't know how to keep his hands clean. We're gonna need some leverage. Go! You know what to do.
Let's hurry. We have to warn the others.
So this is why you don't talk about your family. Their king looks like you.
If I know my cousin, which I do, he'll want to strike first.
Bad idea?
Very. We'll need backup. Dry Fang situation, critical. We need all the help we can get.
I'm on my way.
Ramford, we need you to stay here for this one.
But why?
We, need you to cover the wing spread contest.
Dawn's crew is everywhere.
What are the chances of dealing with this before Ramford shows up?
I predict 90% chance of ramp interference.
Ramford Beekman getting ready to report on the best wing spread contest ever. Wait a minute. There was no wing spread contest. Gail must have gotten the day wrong. But that just means I can go help in Dry Fang.
Looks like the Raptor King got an all-out war coming his way.
I will try diplomacy first, but don't count on it working.
I knew you would come, Stegolas, and I know what you're about to say, but spare me your warnings. We will not stand down.
I'm not asking you to stand down, but we can buy some time, make a plan, prepare.
We are prepared, and we will fight to protect our kingdom. You're wasting your time, Stego.
Just a bunch of raptors and a random Stego. I know an easy fight when I see one, boss.
That's not a random Stego. That's the head of BiRD News, and he doesn't show up unless it's serious.
But how did BiRD News even find out? Boss would like a word with you.
We have a problem.
Then solve it.
BiRD News is here. The Stego and the Raptor clan.
The Stego is here?
Someone must have squealed.
We had a little talk with Goodman's compy.
And?
He didn't say much, but he couldn't deny anything either.
I never trusted that lizard. He might be playing both sides.
Bring Goodman to me. And don't forget, there's only ever been one side.
Let me guess, a bad meeting?
Don! Mo! They know about bird news!
Which means they're coming here next. Let's go! We're gonna see the stego.
We're switching sides?
No, we're mix packing.
There's a lot of claws down there. Are you sure this is safe, Mr. Goodman?
Not safe. Calculated.
How do we even get to talk to the king?
This is how.
Another spy for your trophy collection, my king.
He's not a spy. That's Meg Goodman. Knowing him, he probably won't even drop a trophy.
Maybe, maybe not. But I know what you don't know. Don's crew looks intimidating, but they're sloppy. Only in control 'cause, well, everyone assumed they were, but no one's ever tested them. So test them, and do it now while the cities are away looking for me.
And why should I trust you? You're no friend to us.
No, better. I'm an enemy of your enemy.
What did you see?
They're spread thin. The canyon is too large to control, and they're too busy brawling. No city units in sight.
So the lizard wasn't lying. Get ready for battle! Dry Fang Canyon was ours before they arrived. Before Rex from Gondwa decided it was his. Before a bunch of waystone camping, overgrown geckos showed up. But you don't claim land by pointing at it. You get to call it home by defending it.
Fight well, but remember what you're fighting for.
Good news, everyone. I have a solution with no fighting. I will activate a portal to... But I've perfected my formula.
Raptors, attack!
This is Ramford reporting from Dry Fang
We're
Canyon.
not doing news right now.
Boss, help! They got cities too! Boss, Mayor, we're losing ground.
Unlike you, I keep my hands clean. But I didn't come unprepared.
You summoned me for this?
I summoned you for what comes next.
Looks like you just lost.
I don't lose. I change the game.
Mudflats. Not quite Dry Fang, but it'll do for now.
Welcome to your new hotspot, boys.